But like, yeah, the roof needs getting replaced with a proper D-Max one now. Because that is D-Max.
They're doing the guard as well, and bonnet and stuff.
I don't know. I reckon.
Whole race bar, I reckon.
I don't know.
We nearly have to.
Yeah.
Got my egg and bagies.
Where are we?
Back at Dream World.
Simmer, who got the keys to my blood clot bimmer? Big time driller, monkey to gorilla. Who is this woman that I'm seeing in the mirror? Drink 42 and smoke cigar. Name one time where I didn't deliver. Silent figure, I was just on the ends, dropping gems with my friends. I got a 3310 and a pack of lems. Then got the gold full black, circle back again. Rockin' when nothing progressive was happening. Ooh, pain tolerance couldn't break us. Pain homage, you respect how we came. Cool. Trying to get to the paper, hitting from Jamaica might do me a favor. Cool. Big simmer, dipping 10 toes in the ice cold river. Bank got bigger, been a different species. Tunes in the locker, been waiting till my leash leaves. It's a no-show if you can't guarantee fees. I ain't got one friend to consider. Heaven and earth attached to one pillar. Rest in peace to Mac Miller. New Sims dropped to shake the whole shit up. What's next? We'll be here for months talking about prospects. Staying on my job, yes sir. And rain is against her. I'm river resistant on my polyester. Run through the jungle, they should have never let her. Fucks and rules, I hope never will fester. Yeah, big art collector, silent investor, film director. Beating on my chest, going ape shit, putting in a grave shit. Ain't like what you make it, yeah.
Almost welded into it.
Oh, I reckon that's a motor. Engine, sorry. It's an engine. Clarky.
Motor. Motor. Blew up my motor.
I reckon it's done.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. What do we got? What do we got?
I reckon these fittings. They're going in the block.
See if I can dig it out. I'll wait for this out, I'll see if I got the
I don't give a fuck.
Dream kitchen, eh?
Better be on. Oh yeah, some heat.
like that.
Oh. I'm not
you piss in that, Fanny?
I'm not sold on what this is doing, but
It's hot.
that's fucking hot.
Looks like piss.
I
but
don't know
it's
if it
fucking
just
hot.
looks weird because we've got half the cover off, but it looks yellow.
I'm not getting that.
Hey, what's this? What's this?
Are you day drinking? Naughty boy.
Right. Too bad. Just after you working on shit boxes. Yeah. Yeah. I thought about it. I'm not going to take that one. Just going to wait. Yeah. It's just bad timing.